Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to spend coins on AliExpress. So open your AliExpress and go to whatever item that you want to order. So let me find it in my wish list. So now I have to proceed to checkout page. So I press this buy now button at the bottom, select exactly which item I want to order, tap continue. And at my checkout page, I want to scroll down to section summary, and I have to see line saved. So this is basically line where you can see what discount you got for this item. So I tap here and I see that I have used 1 coin, and that gave me this little discount. Also, I can tap here and select that I don't want to use any coins this time, but I will not do it. So basically, when you want to spend coins on AliExpress, all you have to do is literally nothing, because AliExpress automatically deducts your coins. But here's one thing that you should always look out for: items that say extra % off with coins. And what I mean by that, if I go back to my item, then scroll a little bit down, I will see here line extra 1% off with coins. So that means that I can get my discount using my coins. And if I go to some other item, I will show you that, for example, this one does not support coins discounts, because I don't simply see this mention extra % off with coins. So if you want to get your discount using your coins, you should always look out for those specific items. So that were the main points on how to spend coins on AliExpress. I hope this video helps you. Please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.